Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. I'm Zhao Haotian. Today I'm going to talk about our work, which is an image stitching method for wide parallax images. In this paper, we succeed in preserving both local and global geometric structures for wide parallax images, while reducing artifacts and distortions. And next, I would like to introduce the motivation, contributions, and experiments of our paper. Firstly, state-of-the-art methods separately match points and lines, and thus the local surrounding areas may be stretched or compressed when mismatches occur. Besides, lacking of global linear structure constraints and conflicts on maintaining local and global structures is a common drawback of recent algorithms. As shown in the left figure, the local red lines are separated in space, but they are collinear as illustrated by the global blue line. As demonstrated in the right image, the local line structures can be kept, but their collinearity are easily destroyed during warping. Meanwhile, the existing metrics to evaluate the stitching quality are not comprehensive enough. These metrics including the distance between matched points and average geometric error on local patterns of pixel. To address this issue, we designed a new matching strategy to obtain constant point and line pairs by exploring coplanar subregions using projective invariants. The main process consists of 3 steps on the left. This matching follows the essential coplanar requirement for homography so that it can provide accurate pre-alignment while eliminating artifacts and non-uniform distortions. This figure shows the overview of pre-alignment. A line point invariant which can be constructed of the line, and any 3 points outside the line is introduced to match coplanar subregions. In the left box with dotted lines, line point invariant is illustrated by the red matching points and lines in 2 different views. New added point pairs are corresponded by black double-headed arrows, and original point pairs are labeled in red double-headed arrows on the right dot box. Output matched line pairs are labeled by different colors on right. Both local individual salient lines and global collinear line segments are crucial for warps. Thus, lines preserving term is defined as constraints on local lines and global collinear lines segments. Meanwhile, we designed a merging strategy of local warpings to preserve global linear structure by evaluating the collinearity of line segments. The main merging constraints are in the blue box. In order to quantify the stitching performance on linear structures, we designed a new evaluation method that considers 3 aspects: the collinearity of points, the distance of matched lines, and the discrepancy in the direction of matched lines. Okay, now, we move to the part of experiment. We substitute our joint matching strategy with a separate points and lines matching strategy with other parts unchanged. Sample results are shown in the figure. As we can see, our joint points and lines matching produce clear stitching result. As shown in the figure A, local shapes are well preserved, but the lines are bent without linear constraints. And in figure B, the bike has severe deformation. By contrast, the local and global linear constraints are well balanced in our method, as shown in figure C. The alignment accuracy on points is measured by the root mean squared error on a set of matched points. In the right table, our method uses the lowest errors on all pairs. Then we compare our method to SPW, which has local but not global line constraints, by our evaluation method. Our method uses the lower variance than SPW on these pairs. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.